I was the lead industrial engineer on a changeover reduction project at Armstrong World Industries' St. Helens plant. Our objective was reduce total line changeovers from 25 minutes to 15 minutes. Now, I was on a team of engineers, lean practitioners, and plant staff and technicians. And my role was to apply lean and Kaizen thinking to this project. So I mostly facilitated SMED or changeover reduction events throughout the life of the project. Now overall, we used Failure Modes Effect Analysis, or FMEA, to manage the risk of the project. Essentially what we were trying to do was to find out if our changes were going to adversely affect the performance and quality and delivery of the line. Now FMEA uses a thing called risk priority number, and it's used to score the level of risk that an activity or action might promote in the middle of a project. It's broken into 3 elements: occurrence, detection, and severity. How easy is it to tell if it, or how likely is it to occur? How easy is it to detect? And how severe would the failure be if it occurs? The higher this risk priority number, the higher priority it would be to reduce the risk. So we use that to find out the top risks in the project and then assign owners to mitigate or eliminate those risks. Now, running an FMEA is pretty much a negative process, and my goal was to make it positive by reviewing our progress to see if we had reduced risk at every project meeting. And to make it more fun, we decided to celebrate as a team anytime we reduced a risk by our actions. Now, what was neat about all of this was the team started competing to see how many risks they could reduce from monthly meeting to the next monthly meeting. The more we reduced risk, the shorter the changeover time became. Eventually, the team met their goal of 15 minutes and actually got it below and sustained it throughout the life of the project and throughout the life of the plant. So even though FMEA can be a very negative process, if you use it to properly manage and enjoy and celebrate your wins, you can get lots of value out of it for all team members. I hope this story provided you with some inspiration to revisit your own processes. I have a lot more I'd like to share. Head over to pi-partners.com to learn how I can help. And check back from time to time for more Kaizen stories.